today we'll talk about how can you change your shop location on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to show for us a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So when you click here on locations here, so then it's going to take you to this list, and you click here on shop location. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then here add your country here, enter your address, the your apartment postal code, then your city, and your phone number here. So then it's going to, when you're done, you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.